Welcome back to G Rice Kitchen. Today we'll be making white cheddar mac and cheese, but today we'll be using campanelli. So let's go! The ingredients you'll need are 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 pound of any type of pasta, 1 cup of milk, 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of white cheddar cheese, salt, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. First, you want to cook your pasta according to the box of the pasta you're using. Then, you want to add your butter to a large pan and wait till it is all melted. Next, you want to add in all of your flour and mix until it is well mixed into the butter. After that, you want to add your heavy whipping cream and your milk to the flour and butter. Add a little bit of salt. After it is all mixed, you want to add in your white cheddar cheese. While the cheese is melting, you can drain your pasta out into a colander. Leave no pasta behind. Don't forget to keep on stirring. Then, you want to add your pasta back into the pot you used to cook it in. And you want to pour in all of the desired cheese mixture, stirring constantly. Add in some more salt to taste. Mix it thoroughly, and you're done. Congratulations! Now we have our white cheddar mac and cheese. Bon appetit!